Hey guys, I'm Emily. Welcome to my apartment. So this is my very barren dining area. Not much dining happens here. I mainly just study here. And then a very clustered calendar with some sweet nothings written by a not so secret admirer. We've got a bar cart that holds my printer and my beer glass collection. Got a couple of cool ones. Got a little cowboy poster. And then just move on into the kitchen. Lots of HelloFresh cooking goes on in here. That's about it. Dishes, coffee. So we've got this hat from my Halloween costume last year. I was supposed to be a pirate. Ordered all of the different parts, and I thought it was going to be really cool. Everything got in, and I put it together, and I looked like a founding father. And so I was like, okay, how do we fix this? So I got one of those like horse on a stick things and was like, I'm just gonna be Paul Revere. So I was Paul Revere, and it was probably one of my favorite Halloween costumes I ever had. This guy is from the same Halloween party. Saw him at Party City, and we're like, we have to get him. He was definitely the star of the show. And then just a cowboy hat, you know, just add some life to the kitchen. Let's see, this is my living room where I live. The recliner that mostly only gets used by the dog, especially the handle. It's her favorite toy. A couch where I hang out, and then some coffee book tables that I've never read, have no intention of reading, but they sit there and they look pretty, so that's what they're good for. Some guitars that I haven't played in a minute, but I need to start playing again. Got some knickknacks. The weenie dog thing, my old roommate had a basset hound, and my mom thought she was being creative one Christmas and made me a present from him, and then it was just a replica of him. So now I keep him around. Probably one of my favorite presents I've ever gotten. He just hangs out and makes me smile. Saw this little dude at Goodwill, and I was like, I mean, gotta get him. So, a little fun guy. Got all my best friends from, let's see, like elementary school, high school, all hanging out, very drunk on a boat. We've got a fireplace I'm very, very, very excited to start using. Now that it's getting cold, can burn like real fire in it, and so that's very exciting. Very excited for like hanging out on the couch, the fire, being cozy, like the ideal sweater weather. And then my college friends, so they live in different universes, but all in my heart. And then a nice little gift that my friends got me from Mexico that's fun on occasion. We've got the porch. It's mainly cluttered with boxes that I haven't put away yet, but there's some chairs. I'm gonna make it cute one day, but for right now it's mostly just storage. My dog's bed that she chewed up, it just stays out there. Oh. You say hi, this is Goose. This is my daughter, she's my best friend, also sometimes my worst enemy. You spin. Hello, you spin? Goose, what's up? You know, it depends on the day. The house is mainly run by her. Her toys are everywhere. It's kind of a game to try to avoid them, but goodness gracious. Nah, she's a good girl. I can show you her tricks. Yes. All right, you sit down. Good. You shake. Good girl. You lay down. Good. And you roll over. You roll over. Oh, that's so good. That's so good. All right, you jump up. Good girl. All right, you spin. Look, you spin. Oh, that's so good. Some nuns having a grand old time. Some inspiration right there. And then into the bathroom. Nothing very exciting here. Some more knickknacks. Probably my favorite part of the house is the booby shower curtain. It's always a good time to sit on the toilet and just be like, which ones do I like today? Because the options are endless. And then, of course, the Sweet Cheeks bath mat gives me some inspiration every time I get in the shower. So this is the bedroom. Let's see. Maybe I should have turned on some lights. Well, no lights. I mean, I spent most of my time and money decorating out there, so not much decorating has happened in here yet. It's basically just where I sleep. Got another box of stuff that I haven't unpacked yet. A lava lamp that is only on every once in a while. It kind of scares me. A piano that I rarely ever play. And then a bunch of shoes, the dog's bed, and my crazily mismanaged closet that has no order other than t-shirts and sweatshirts on this side and dressy up sort of clothes that I never really wear on this side. So I mainly just look over here. And then I need to do something with this, but it lives here for right now. It's just my hat storage for right now. But, all right, guys, thank you very much for joining me in my house tour. Subscribe to Olivia and have a great day.